Hi everyone, this is Movie Boy Master here. This is going to be an unboxing video 2, Creepshow Season 3. Now if y'all remember, I did the unboxing video to Creepshow Season 1. Well, this is Season 3. I do not have Season 4 or Season 5, but I think I got this one at Walmart. Yeah, I got this at Walmart for I think it's $10, I think it is. Yeah, $10. So, same old knife again. Let's get the unboxing video here started. So let's do this. Now, unlike Pre-Show Season 1, this does not have the lenticular, not lenticular, glow-in-the-dark slipcover, unlike Pre-Show Season 1 does. So, yep. Oh. Oh no. That's not good. This thing right here holds the DVDs here. Came right off, so sucks. Let's see if I can try to. Oof. And I think also the same thing that holds the disc in there, 2 discs, comes right off too. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna show you. It just doesn't fall off here. Guys, see, look at that, it's falling off. Yeah, it really sucks. I could probably find a DVD case that takes 2 discs. Maybe. Easily find it off eBay or something. This one here, disc 1 and disc 2. It sucks that the thing here in the DVD case is already coming apart. Sucks. I don't know. And these 2 things right there, yeah. They came off sadly, which really sucks. There's a Shutter, AMC, AMC Plus. And there's the little comic book thing again. That is obviously the episodes. It looks like a comic book. It obviously looks like a little comic book here. Looks pretty neat. Yep, there's a Creepshow Season 2 right there. So I didn't need to get. But, yep. I hope this will come back in here. Yeah, again, there's the DVDs here. Yeah, even though the DVD case here is broken, obviously. The one that holds the 2 discs, it's already broken, which really sucks. That's alright. I could easily find another case that takes 2 discs. Probably find it offline or online or something like that. And replace the case on this, because that really sucks. Well, yeah. So, that's the unboxing video to Creepshow Season 3. I think this run from 2021, I think it is, yeah, 2021. So, yeah. that's it for the video, and I'll see you all later on the Movie Boy Masters channel. So subscribe to this channel, the old subscribe. You gotta subscribe to the backup channel, the new reboot channel, Movie Boy Master reboot channel. It's still in the works, but still in the works of re-uploads. So subscribe to that if you want to, and also subscribe to my old channel and my older channels. It could be on a Flea Market Vault. Yes, I had older channels too, if anybody wondering. I have links of those onto the backup channel and the new channel. So, see you all later and subscribe to the channel. See you all later. And that's it for the unboxing video to Creepshow Season 3. And I'll try to replace the case on this case right here. Because, well, it broke up, obviously. I can easily find to this case. That's alright. I'll see you all later. Subscribe to the channel if you want to. That's it. See you all later.